boys na yung miss natin pag magkasama. Ito mo nakalight ako.
Ito naman yung ano lang, yung kanya lang. Yung katik-tikat di tayo mag-uusap, chill lang. Hi guys! I am okay. I'm very happy.
I like it. Gusto ko yun. Yeah, she's very happy. You don't wanna know.
XOXO, gossiper. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Who you with? I'm with my best friend. Guys, wait lang. I'm just gonna take a photo of this room. I'm with Maligan too. Oh shit. Malik! Ang interesting ng topic namin.
Yeah.
Guys, ngayon na ulit kami nagkita. Kailan last kita natin? Yung pumunta pa ako sa condo mo nung kinuha ko si Maligan.
Yeah, November.
Huh?
November.
November yun?
Ay, hindi pala. December. December yun. Nag-rehearse tayo for ano.
I'm with... Big turn mo.
Ha?
So good.
Ito yung kanila ko eh. Diba?
No, that's different. Lotus cream.
Ay, oo nga. Fashion discount.
Discount na. Anyari sa eyes ko, meron pa din siya guys. Hindi pa rin siya totally clear. But like, hindi na siya need the surgery. So thank God. I'm with Via. Hello, Ken. Hi there. Hi, Andrew. Hi, Ate Beth. Hello, Marcus. Hello, classmate. Wala si Teresa. Yes, Ate Medeg. It's my dog. Ay, yes, Ate, ano pala, Ate Beth. Hi, Ate Medeg.
Hindi talaga ako naka-watch sa Cigarettes After Sex na hindi ko na-watch yung Cigarettes After Sex na band.
May nag-concert sila here? Really?
Last year? Last year.
Ah, matagal na.
Uy, makinig ka na doon. Tapos kung pumunta sila dito sa Mantay.
Nakikinig ako sa kanila.
Please, kasi wala akong kasama ko.
Hindi sila nag-aaway ni Toothless. Bati na sila. Siyempre, nung una-una nag-aaway talaga.
Nag-aaway sila yung Toothless? Ha?
Nung una-una. The favorite ko na yung ganito na haircut. Alam ba? Layer. Nakakatita siya.
Nakakaano, like, puro siya na. Sa akin din sobrang ito. Ayaw ko na kasi mag-extension.
Message ko nga sa Therese, guys, na miss ko na si Therese.
Oo, ba't ito nag-kita? Hindi, when ko last nakita?
Before pa siya mag-Bicol. Tagal na. Before Christmas. Ay, hindi. After Christmas. Before New Year. Siyempre, hindi ko lang napanood. Na-repost ko pa. I look sad. Ay, hindi. Huwag kayo maniwala sa look na yan.
Totoo. Hindi yan sad.
Happy yan.
Mas malungkot pa buhay ko.
Hi, Yuri!
Ano, mag-relapse na ba ako sa music na yan? Kaya ako yun deserve early lang.
Mas watch mo ng 601 worth it. Guys, I'm happy. Asaan si Kulot? May work si Kulot.
Si Kulot. Si Kulot. Good. Oo nga, saan ba kasi si Kulot? Baby! Si Kulot.
Hi, Mark! Mark, where are you? Oh my God, where are you? I miss you. Andyan ba si Jaris? Wala dito si Jaris. I-message ko nga. Gusto ko ma-meet mo si Jaris, magkakasundo kayo na. Oh my gosh, Mikay, is it you actually?
Wala ba ng internet?
Hello, Mikay! I miss you, Mikay! Is it you? Sabi sa inyo guys eh, may tamang panahon din para sa ship ko guys. May tamang panahon para sabi sa inyo. Ano saya-saya ko kagabi?
Here.
Ay, hindi yun!
Ay, hindi pala. Sorry. Maling side comment pa na ako. Hindi ako na-inform. Inside joke ka pala natin.
Look, Mom. Mikay, look. Mikay. Every Friday, magyan ng section eh, guys.
Nakapawag kong edit or something.
Name niya is Maligan. Yeah, kapatid ko si I think you and Jen is the coolest. Ula, salamat, Miss Jenny. Thank you, Jenny. Sinong kasama ko po? Si Via po. Ano, ang ganda ng kanta. Yes po, Husky. Hi, thank you, Ate Rose, for the roses.
Thank you for your rate.
It's her name. Mikay, are you home? Are you home, Mikay? I want you sana to meet si ano eh. I miss you, Mikay. Sana ma-meet mo si Maligan. to Ate Mikay. Yes, nagpipicture-picture kami. Magpo-post kami mamaya sa IG. Ha, kayo na bahala. Picture taking kami. Ano? My eyes are still getting better. It's not yet like 100% healed, but like it's not that bad. Alam namin yung kinilig ka rin kagabi. Yes, dalawang rason. Dahil sa Jerry's tapos.
Last night pala yung surgery.
Oo. Kasi alam niyo ba, muntik pa ako hindi matuloy dito kanina kasi nag-faint ako, hindi ko alam bakit. Title ng song, Sparks by Coldplay. Ba't ako nag-end ng live nung nakaraan? Nag-end ba ako? Yung biglaan? Gusto niya to kapag kinakanta ko. Outfit check. My outfit is so like simple lang. Red long sleeves and then this leather jacket. Pero tinanggal ko. So like, this was the outfit. And then, of course, that was the outfit kanina. Kasi di ko mapakita sa inyo. Jacket is from Zara. Long sleeves, Zara. Skirt, Zara. And then shoes is Charles & Keith. And then my bags from H&M. Where am I? We are at BGC. Oh, and then this one, Sunny's.
Buti behave mo talaga si Manika.
Oo, diba?
Hindi siya bumabato.
At saka hindi nga tumatawa.
Oo.
Pag-relax na siya, ganyan na siya. Yeah, I'm wearing extensions. Not sure guys kung kailan kami mag-meet ni Therese, but I miss her. I just did an outfit check. Pag nakita niyo ako sa personal, pwede magpa-picture. Of course, guys. Alam niyo, ang hilig niya sa ganyan. Like, may magme-message sa inyo, ate, nakita ko kayo sa SM Mega Mall. Like, legit. Nakita ko sa SM Mega Mall. Hindi lumapit kasi natakot. Wow. Kaya hindi ako nag-relax, guys. Naka-move on na ako. Are you, sir? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Guys, nagpa-haircut ako kahapon. Pero mahaba lang. Kasi wala akong courage magpa-bangs talaga. So, like, curtain lang. Guys, magpipicture-picture na ulit kami, ha? Bye-bye.
Anong katang caption?
Ha?
Tingin?
Tingin?
Wala pa. Nag-iisip pa ako. Nag-edit ako ng film.
Alam, may basher ako. Oh my God. Sabi niya, Miyuki, user dala yun. Sino to? Sino na naman ginamit ko? Sino na naman? Ano na naman?
Trabaho na
Ano ba yun? May issue na naman ako. Oh my God. Uy, tignan mo ba? Parang piling ko na sa ibang bansa. Ang picture maganda. Naka-leather jacket. Share ako. Naka-leather jacket. Maganda pag naka-leather
Oo.
jacket.
Ilabas mo yung red. Ganyan.
Sige na, ipipin pa kita, charot. Sino na namang ginamit ko? Oh my God, hi equals. Equals, lagi kita nakikita dati sa mga live. Ano gusto mo i-request na kanta?
Papaplay lang sa video.
Ha? Ano gusto mo i-request na kanta? Hi, Lay! Time to go. Anong tagal ko pwede mag-request ng song? You're the one who's holding me Pwede ka mag-request ng song?
Anong song?
Dancing.
Dancing.
Ano daw? Anong song?
Secret. Nalalaman mo.
Anong song na?
Where to place Isom. Isom to, no?
Song.
Ito, Isom.
Tagi.
Sa Taguig. BGC.
Ano kaya?
Bakit nilakasan nila? I love my life. Dito ka, Ben. Dito ka, dito ka. Hi!
Wala naman na siya shake. Okay lang.
Two types of friends. Mukha siyang angel. Tapos ako,
Mukha akong angel today.
Tapos ang
Angel. Ay, angel na siya.
Hi guys! Feel the heat on the last na to, ano daw? Ano daw? Ano daw? Yeah, I know some songs from the release. Ano daw?
Si Ansi Merit.
Ayan na naman ang shades. So yun, nandito na nga eh.
Bakit? Bakit napaka-hater mo? Wala ka bang trabaho?
Uy! Mabait ka, mabait ka. Branding
Mabait
ka today.
ako.
Soft girl ka.
Soft girl ako today. Nangangawi. Birds like the feather, we tinted to feather and all.
Partida, wala pang inom yan ah.
Wala pa yan. Good luck talaga pag nakainom ako.
You can dance, you can try, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, she be the dancing queen.
Kami ko ng picture.
Hindi ko kasama si Kulot guys, may work si Kulot.
Baby, sorry. Unheard ko na yung way up. Ay?
Request ka pa sa
You're so. Ano ba yun?
Day,
so vain. I probably think this all is
Ikaw naman
a
ang Ay, kaya,
Ginawa na ng amin. You're so vain. You probably think this song is about. Can I request a song? You're so vain. You're so vain. You probably think this song
Ganun
is
ka.
about
Ayun,
you.
nag-release na natin. Thank you, ate.
Wala pa tong alak. Wait lang pag may alak.
Wala pa malaki.
Wala pa.
Ano po?
Here's one. You boy. I miss you boy. Tsaka, mama. Middle last. And then last, middle. Ay, ano spelling ni Nicki Minaj? Basta Minaj.
Mickey Pa-Mickey Mouse na yun.
Tigilan mo ako po niya. Minaj na lang. Gets mo yan ni Kuya
Wait lang,
Jay.
ano ba? Ay, ito.
Ano ba? Yung pala lang din sinabi sa live, sorry, hindi naman talaga ganun. Yung music na. Hindi kami ganun.
Saan nyo ngayon?
Dapat ako konti baka di mapadaan. Bakit pala dito?
Ito, ate. Ay, ano maganda din?
Ano? Yung ano? Yung... Ito.
Nakikinig ka ba kay Gracie Abrams? Alam mo yung that song?
Wag yun, yung mga boy. Two types of friends talaga, no? Yung isa, that's so true. Yung isa, you boy.
Hi, Raldin!
Ate Miyuki, I love you so much. Ako, hindi mo ako mahal. Ako, Oscar. Mahalin mo naman ako, please. Mahalin mo naman ako, please. Ano? Work. Last na, ito na last. Work. Work. Rihanna.
Ako lang na.
Wala na. Kala mo naman in-exclusive na namin ito. May something pa sa inyo ni Alex. Sino? Alex Gonzaga po ba? Thank you. Kim Arvin. Hi.
Hi, Sky! Pinanood
Hi,
namin
Sky!
Pinanood namin yung basketball.
Ano yun? Yung mga wild safari shit, gano'n.
Cartoons yan!
Yun nga mga wild safari shit. Keeper for keep. Hi, sino yan?
Hi, Raldin!
Mamaya ulit si Kulot. May alam ako nakakulot na song. Baby ko si Kulot. Ano
height na?
height niyo? 6'2 lang po. 6'2.
Tayo ka nga, babe. Yeah, depends na, guys.
Huwag ka nang tumayo, mapapahiya ako. Okay na nga. Okay na.
Ay, sorry. Ano ba ito song?
Kamay na, Taylor.
Tignan mo yung lyrics kasi. Kasi Wednesday yung New Year, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos ano, tignan mo yung lyrics. Ay, search mo. Begin again lyrics.
Alam ko yung lyrics na, memorize mo nga yan, di. Little kid. Very lover girl yung kaibigan ko. Ako naman yung may jowa.
You don't know
how
how
nice
nice
that
that is, but
Saan kayo sa meals ko? Jaris Layag. Anong layag?
You throw your head back laughing like a little kid. think it's strange that you think I'm funny cause he
Nasaan
never
si-
did.
Sino si saan si Humor Canal? Yan.
Ever does is break and burn
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics ko nito.
ano? And on a Wednesday in a cafe, I watched it begin again.
Yes, yun na yun. Jaris ka ba, boss? Yung naalala ko na Jaris, ka-name na yung pinsan ko, si Jaris.
Si Therese yan si Jared.
Ah, yeah, I love you.
Throw your head back, laughing like a
Search mo lyrics, lagyan lyrics.
I think it's strange that you think I'm funny cause he never did. I have been spending the last 8 months. Hi Nabi, I miss you Nabi. And burn and end.
Bakit ang loud?
On a Wednesday in a cafe, I watched it begin again. And you threw your head back laughing like a little kid. I think it's strange that you think I'm funny cause he never did. I've been spending the last 8 months thinking all I've ever done is break, burn, and then run on a Wednesday in a cafe, watch it
Tingin nyo in love. Yung ganyan.
You throw your head back laughing like a little kid. I think it's strange.
Alam mo yung pinapawi ka tapos sobrang halata.
I've been spending the last 8 months thinking all of that.
Sino yung mga nandito? Baka may kilala tayo. Wala akong kilala dito.
On a Wednesday in a cafe,
Wala akong kilala. Ano daw? Pagulong ako siya. Naalala ko talaga na Jaris is yung pinsan ko. Sorry guys. Pero gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yung post about them.
Ah, nakita mo sa TikTok?
Yeah, nakita ko kanina when I was scrolling. Ano yan?
Search mo lyrics ng Years of Pain.
Yan ba yun?
Oo.
Ano daw?
your scarlet was apricot.
You had
One eye in the mirror as you wash yourself. And all the girls say that they'd be your partner. Hi, Ninang! Hi, Ninang! Si Ninang dyan, nandyan. So vain. You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? Hala, Ni!
Oh my God! Ano yan?
Thank you, Ninang! Oh my God!
Ano
Wala,
yun?
gift, gift hindi, pero mahal yun. Oh my God, Ninang, wala magkano yun. Oh my
Magkano yun?
gosh, I don't know, but I know that it's mahal though.
Sige daw.
Thanks, Ninang! Wait. What was that?
Yan.
It's 1K? Oh my God, thank you, Ninang. This is for 99. Thank you, Ninang. You're so vain. You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. Thank you, Ninang. Sabihin mo, thank you, Ninang. Thank you, Ninang. Don't you, don't you.
Wala, nakakapera pala sa TikTok.
Thank you, Ninang.
Saan kaninang, ano po zodiac sign niyo? Ano sign?
Cancer. Isa. Ano ka? Ano ka?
Taurus.
Wala. Cancer ako. Manipulator.
Siya ano, Aquarius. Wala sa
Si, Virgo.
Hello?
Very logical.
Toxic you. Cancer na Virgo.
Yeah, mga manipulators. Pagalingan mag-manipulate.
This song is about you. You're so vain. Tignan nyo guys, mag-outfit check kami. Outfit check tayo dito.
Dito tayo banda.
Dito. Dito kami. Temu. Okay guys, then please get her. Ito pants.
Online shop. IG.
Shoes mo. TikTok. Ay, really?
Yeah.
Leather jacket. Zara. This inner Zara. Sport. This from Zara. Socks H&M. Shoes Charles and Keith.
Earrings is H&M. Sunny.
Okay. Guess what time is it? Oh, 7 now. I'm gonna share this to my broadcast. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hi Mel! Mamma mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma mia. Kamusta na eyes ko? My eyes are getting better, but meron pa din. Tagal ni Bia, request niya. Ash dress ko po, boss. Siyempre, boss. Pero minsan nahatak ako ng ash bin, boss. At least honest, My Universe, Coldplay, BTS. Later, pag natapos yung mga kiniw na kanta, yun ang request natin. Mamma mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist? Yeah! Kiko Milano, guys, the best. Bakit? Maganda naman talaga yung makeup nila doon ha. High quality. Yeah, section 8. Huh? Ano yan, Golden? Uy, wala akong alam dyan. Miss niya na. Miss ko na. Alam mo yun, you take the man out of the city, not the city out of... Alam mo yan, diba?
Oo.
You take the party. Ano daw? You take the man out of the city, not the city out the man. You take the man out of the city.
Save ako ngayon.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when.
Wait. Pause tayo.
So be the one.
Titik-titik na mo itong kaibigan ko bigla.
Naririnig niyo ba yung tugtog?
I should be the one tonight. When I first saw you from across the room, I could smell you. Oh yeah. What you're looking at.
Cause if you like causing troubles up in hotel rooms, if you like if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, baby I'm perfect, baby I'm perfect for you. If you like if you like going places we can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby I'm perfect, baby I'm perfect. That's all I know.
Napipili ko nung i-upload ko.
Top from Zara. I got this yesterday. Nice siya, no? Maganda din yung quality and mahaba yung dito. Like, you can do this. It's, how much is it? 899. If you like, this is my favorite One Piece song. If you like to do everything you know that we shouldn't do, baby I'm perfect, baby I'm perfect for you. If you like windows down, your windows down. If you like going places you can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby I'm perfect, baby I'm perfect. That's all I know. Thank you. Thanks, Andrew. Hi, Angel Garden.
Tingnan mo ba? Tingnan mo ba? Ano magandang caption?
Wala, ready na siya. Wala po akong prepared.
Ready na ako mag-post tayo. Tingnan mo
Hi,
magandang caption.
P!
Ano magandang caption?
Ito sana eh, kaso hindi ko pala singer.
Oo, hindi ako singer ka. Pag-iisipan ko yun. Okay.
Hi, Mitch! And dito si Mitch. Mitch, live.
Ah, hi.
Kasama ko si Via. Hi, Ate JD. Hi, Mitch. Oh.
Wait lang.
Alam mo ito song na to, V? Is it worth it? Real love, you think you deserve it. You can find your purpose, get negative. Personally, I'll do more than support your dreams, baby. Get you on me. It's time to bust up. Hi, Nocturnal. Hi, Sunny. Forget that the queen. It's time to fix it up and get your. Hi Charlie! I'm with Via. Hi Ray! Hi love! You got it! You got it! You got it! You got it! Oh yeah! Grey's Family or Grey's Anatomy? What's Grey's Family? I only watch Grey's Anatomy, sorry. Do you watch Paw Patrol? Not me. My brother does though. Guys, can you ask questions? Dali, kahit anong questions yan, sasagutin ko. Wala akong isi-skip, promise. What's my phone? iPhone 16. Hi Dexter, thank you. Si Kurt ba kasama si AJ? No guys, I don't do it. 5'3", no, I'm 5'6". Ganda ng outfit, thank you. I'm trying though. I'm trying. Thank you, thank you. Whole outfits from Zara maliban sa shoes. Is it better guys with a leather jacket or walang leather jacket? Thanks Dexter for the gift. Which one's better, with or without the jacket? Saan yan? Isong BGC. Are you totally? Yeah. Without? What's more comfortable po ba for you? Both looks nice. Kahit ano naman. Both naman, but like what looks, which one is nice? Like which one is more classy, nice? Hi, Tito Wilmar!
Okay yung song You're So Vain. Okay yung
Ito
song
yung with.
You're So Vain.
Yeah, very yung mga ganyang kanta, yung mga 90s rom-com. With jacket, this is with a jacket.
Wait, kanta na natin.
With or without? Sino kasama ko? Si Mia. I have to reveal my tanong nag-relapse. It's okay, Ate Angel. It's normal. But we're healing. We're both healing. I think it's time to accept na we're better off as individuals, not together. Hello, Alex. Hello, Alexander. Hoy, pwede ka na mag-live. Where are you? Ay, Alex. Look who I'm with. Look who I'm with. Alex. Look who I'm with. It's Maligan. Oh my god. Opinion about traditional versus new. Hi, Ate Tita Nikki! Guys, which one is better? Which one is better? Like this one long? Or should I wear the jacket? Because I also have a jacket with me. It's a leather jacket. Which one is better? Like this one? Itong meron? With this one? Or no? I think shoes ko kasi. Which one is better? With the jacket or without the jacket? Without? Okay. Eh, ikaw nag-request nila. Ay, hindi. Oh, what is this? Is this Truth or Dare? Truth or Dare ba to?
Truth or Dare?
Oo. Hindi tayo nag-request na to. Naka-short hair ako guys, pero ano kasi, nagpa-extensions ako. Yes, mag-recreate kami ng mga may iba ba bang maganda na cafe dito? Hindi na na-try mo? Coffee hopping.
Coffee hopping. Another feat na naman din.
Laging matao dyan. Dito, sa Isang, surprisingly, hindi. Para namin nirentahan yung place, walang tao. Sila lang. Pero kanina wala. Even sila wala rito. As in, diba? As in, walang tao kanina. Parang nirent yung place. Ay, Isa Max pala. Hi, Mio Yao. Hello. Guys, tignan niyo ang ganda ng bag ni V. V, how much did you get your bag for?
500 plus?
Tignan niyo. Bagay siya outfit ko, guys. See, it's so pretty. Show the dog. Bakit mo ako inuutosan? Charot. Malagan! Malagan! May naghahanap sa'yo na pangit. Charot. Tignan nyo. Nag-picture kami. Tignan mo, Alex. Alam mo, nag-picture kami na Malagan kanina. Naiintindihan mo ba? Look, she's wearing diapers. She's so big, guys. Not super quiet na Malagan.
Yeah, sobrang
As in... Hindi siya ganyan. Alex, look. She's not moving. She's so calm.
profile.
Oo.
Ngayon ako change last year.
Ang ganda. Ay, babot na ako nung ano. Okay, babot na. Yeah, it's a husky. What's there? Balik na ikaw? Put your bum down. I wanna hug you. You're so cute. You're so cutie. You're so cutie. Kilala ko kasama ko. Sige, sinong kasama ko? Sino? Arwen. Sino kasama ko? Sino kasama ko? Arwen Cruz. Sino? Sagot! Sagot! Tagal matapos ng tugtog. Hindi ako, tagal matapos ng tugtog.
Ayun mo, mahaba yan, Ben.
Pala si Arwen. Sino? Sino Arwen? Tagal. Bag, may papatry ako sa'yo. Wait lang. Ano? Wala dito si Therese ko. Namimiss ko na din siya doon, Terry. Hindi kayo nag-iisa na. Palila na din ako.
Ano tayo sa house? Tapos video ko.
Saan?
Doon sa akin.
Peaceful. Picture after natin ng dala. Ano yan?
Again.
Again?
Holy ko.
Oh, this one. Wait lang.
Ano yan?
Tingnan mo. This one, lip oil.
Lip oil?
Hi, Mika! Ay, hindi. Wait lang. This is the, ano pala, wait lang. Kala ko ba? Not sure, guys.
Magulo din tayo mag-live tayo.
Guys, alam nyo, dati hindi ko nagigets, but super overpriced ng wet brush. Tapos nag-give-in ako sa hype. Kasi di ba, alam mo yung brand na to?
Ha, ano?
Do you know this brand? Yung wet brush?
No.
Sobrang mahal ng brush na to, 900 for this one. Tapos sabi ko, ba't sobrang mahal? Tapos na-curious ako guys, pero ngayon gets ko na siya. Like, so kahit gano'ng katangled yung hair mo, try mo. As in, like akala ko dati for the hype lang. Pero sobrang gaan niya sa buhok.
Ah, yeah. Meron akong pang-massage din siya na hair.
Hi, Achi!
Back-to-back live.
What brand is my bag? H&M.
Ba't lumigay yung mukha ko?
Baka naka-auto. Yung sa akin din eh. Wait lang guys, I have to organize my bag. My bag is so messy.
Nakakatawa kasi, the last time nag-live ako 4 a.m. Nandun si Nate. Wow, ang tawa ko. Alam mo yung bad trip na ako, inaaway ko silang lahat. Ang tawa lang
Saan live?
Sa
Bisaya din kasi. Bakit naka-intentional todo naman ito?
Hindi ko makita. Gusto ko ipag-rate.
8:30 mag-ano ako, deal out.
Ha?
8:30 mag-deal out ako.
Okay.
Kasi matraffic tayo. Di ba taga-Taguban ka? Oo. Alam mo, sometimes nag-live ako para ikon ng mga tao. Ikaw sa city, girl ako pala out.
Hi, Dos!
Ba yung makakapag naka-art?
Uy! Uy! Ano ba ito song na to? May entry ako dyan.
Okay, wala akong. Ay, meron naman din ako.
Go, meron ka.
Meron. Ay, hindi ko alam yung lyrics na eh. Hi, Jay.
Hi, Riley! Riley, how was your ano? Last time I told you good luck, right? Because you have something going on for your school. How was it? How did it go?
Number 1, Elmer. They're a lover girl. Maricar. Familiar yung music.
Handsome.
Familiar yung song.
Oo, yan yung sa TikTok. Kaya sabi ko may entry ako.
Sa TikTok?
Oo.
Ano nga yun?
Pakinggan mo. Later. Dun sa trending na part. Baka yun yung ma-recognize. Oh, have you tried this one? Have you tried any lipstick from Absinthe?
No.
Try it. Oh. Nice. This is Girl Good.
Ah, yes. Message me lang.
Wala, hindi ko talaga yung lip
Ah,
tint.
ano siya?
Diba?
Nice.
Handsome.
Dark and handsome.
Wait lang, yung isang part.
Tall, dark, and handsome. Hi guys. Yung kaibigan ko, nagpapatry-try siya sa akin ng mga makeup. Ano din yung lip oil sinasabi mo?
What place? Isa. Wala. Halik ka ni
Alam mo sa isip ni Manny. Ano ko talaga purpose ko dito? Binili na ba ako as a friend? Hi, my lover.
Song is literally honey tall, honey handsome.
Ipanamutan ako.
Talaga, Alex.
Uli na.
Okay. Sabi mo
Hindi ko nakalive sa Facebook, sa FB.
Also, pa-humble. Wala si Alex,
Ganda po ng
pa-humble.
dress. This is a top.
Sino ka po?
Top isa.
Alex, are you there? Help
Hindi
me.
na kumuuli. Dira na
Which
ka.
one is better?
Hindi mo ulion si
This itself
February 4.
or with the leather jacket? Sumagot ka. Sagot. Isa.
I need
Isa.
you.
Which one is better?
Kapap.
With the leather jacket or without? Leather jacket or without?
Paghilo.
Pag ikaw hindi sumagot, sasampakin kita.
Hindi ka muli.
No leather jacket? Okay.
Isa. Pag sure baby, wait ka muli. I am for nobody knows me
Like you do, nobody won't love me quite like I love this. Oh my God.
Thank you, Chavis. Hi, Miss Gangster ka ba? Yes, gangster ako. Anak ako na isang mafia. Papakidnap ka ba? alam niyo, sobrang tino ng isang kaibigan ko nagla-live dito. Ako naman dito nang naaway. Di, kailangan diri. Tapos panggawa. Oh my God.
I'm doing
my makeup, guys, because we're gonna take photos. Because I'm with my
naman
friend.
is basta ikaw.
And whenever I'm with this friend, we always take
Ikaw yung
photos.
mag-give
Tapos
na
we
pay,
post
tapos
at the same
magbabayad.
time. I love being a girl.
Kagwapa, very Liza Soberano. Ayaw, mag-uulan eh.
Upo, upo, upo.
Ayaw,
Upo,
ayaw.
upo,
Nako,
upo.
uulo, di ko muli. Ganda ngipin, OLG.
Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, really. I'm happy that it went
See you
well.
soon. Love you, Bruce ako. Good night, baby. Love you.
We're having fun. Paint na ulit ako. Oh, Dos, you paint? Dos, I like painting too. What do you paint? What do you paint? Can I know before you go? You love
Ask
my
me a
smile.
question.
Thank you.
Promise, hindi ako makaaway.
Hi, Mama. I'm feeling better now. I'm with Via.
Mabait ako na.
Also, Ma, nag-message ako sir kanina.
Mabait naman talaga ako.
I have to
Ay,
go
hindi
sa
magkakadong ikisi
punta ako
out.
hospital. Hi, Tamiyuki. Hi, Rose. Short message lang for your birthday, okay? Hello, Rose. Happy birthday. I hope that you have the best birthday of your life, and I hope that God gives you everything that you wish for. And I hope that 2025 is kind
Face card
of you.
decline.
I love you.
Thank you. Guys, what if nung tanong mo, tapos para di ka po, dili kita magtuto kay Dino?
I paint everything.
Guys,
How about
thank
you?
you for following.
When it comes to drawing, I like drawing portraits, but
no,
like
pwede.
with painting
Baklas.
sceneries. Puro
Ano,
sceneries
bulag mo ni
yung
Jan?
nilagro ko.
Very past life man ako. Hi, Mia, classmate ka sa elementary, San Francisco. Hi, Mal. Magtutukay na daw. Sige.
This is the setting spray that I use, guys. Nagsa-setting spray na ako. Yes, I'm with Via.
And say I'm trying to say alam mo, sobrang ako sa mag-ride eh. Alam mo, very it girl ka. Ako naman po, ganun lang ako dito. May titik-titik.
Siyempre, yung suot ko ngayon pang ano eh.
Oh, very demure. Ako naman parang
Demure lang tayo.
jar. Ganda mo, miss. Hindi na ako nakapag-scroll yung kamay.
Hobby mo na din.
Ako
That's good. That's a good
naniniwala.
hobby though. I
Ay,
love
lahi ka ba,
painting.
babe? Yes. Lahi.
Hi,
Lahi
Ru!
Batangas.
How are you?
Ano daw?
Shout out to
Workout
Kuya
lang
Apple.
sa
Birthday mo
ate
today.
na si
Happy
Lily.
birthday.
OMG,
Happy
bata ka
birthday,
pa.
Elsin.
Yes, very baby. Baby pa mo, parang very... Charot. Waka kay Kapisun ay, thank you. What if ka nang 138 tira ang mag-try mong hapon? Ginawa daw pa nun yung mga, ano, grabe, mga, ano yan? Yung mga, ano yan? Yung mga tap-tap, ano yan?
Hi, Ru. I'm good. I'm happy.
Pa-shoutout ko kay Don Carlos birthday niya po. Hi, Don Carlos! Happy birthday! Permitting ka makita before, baka dyan kay Paolo. Uy, dako, dito yung uluan eh. Hi, Siri. How old are you? Guess. Guess my age. Mura ka si Michelle Madrigal. Michelle Madrigal? Sino si Michelle Madrigal?
Oh, ano siya? Filipina actress.
Hindi ko siya kilala, hindi ko siya nakita pa. Pero alam ko face.
Hindi na siya ganun ka-active din.
30? Wait.
Guys, anyway, we're gonna take photos.
Bye-bye. Hi, Katie and Lauren. Hi, babe. Before we go sa side kasi nag-i-account. Hi, babe. Sorry. Yung sa ano ko kasi, yung sa main account ko nagpa-problem. So,